With the old steps out, place the brackets into their designated spot and measure down from the skirting to the brackets to ensure that there is at least a 10 3/4 inch clearance. If you have less than a 10 3/4 inch clearance, you need to adjust where you place the bolts. In this case, we're moving our bolts down so that we will have at least a 10 3/4 inch clearance. Place a washer first, then a lock nut on the back side of the bracket bolts. Do not tighten them all the way down at this time. Mount the other bracket on the opposite side without tightening it down at this time. After the brackets are in place, test fit the storage box to ensure that you have enough clearance between the top of the box and the bottom of the skirt. Now that you have enough clearance, you can tighten down the bracket bolts using a 9/16 inch wrench. If you have at least one ratcheting wrench or socket wrench, this will make tightening the bolts much quicker. Tighten the bolts on both sides. Now place the storage box into the bracket. Note that the brackets have slotted holes to ensure a flush fit to the side of the unit. Now you can place the 2 bolts on either side on the inside of the storage box. Secure the box to the bracket by adding the washer and then the nuts to the bolts. Using a 7/16 inch wrench, tighten and secure the 4 bolts in the storage box to the mounting brackets. Now we're going to minimize the back and forth movement of the storage box. Take the supplied bolts and add the nut to the bolt. Insert the 2 bolts to press the box against the mounting brackets. Hand tighten the bolts until you need a 7/16 inch wrench to secure the bolts. Now you're ready to use your new storage box.